we are taking a walk to the helipad of the Upper Pelling. Our hotel is at Middle Pelling and it's near about 10 to 15 minutes walk from here. Let's go. At Dunlop, if we get this kind of fresh air and free road to walk in the morning, just compare this with my previous video. So, good morning.
Good morning.
Though we got a clear view of the whole range from the helipad, the sky was still cloudy. Today I am planning to do some workout with my resistance band. Let's see how it works out. I am going to do some workout with this resistance band. Don't have access to any weight plates on tour. This will be targeting my legs, hamstring, quads and the core. Let's do it. The first workout will be front squat. We have to keep the resistance band like this at shoulder distance and then pull it all the way up like this and then go with the squat. You can very well feel the squeeze on your legs. The next workout will be a wide stance sumo squat. Take the resistance band like this all the way up with your shoulder. Each time we will focus to go a little deeper like this, like this. For the next workout in this circuit, I'll be needing a towel. Hope you guys are able to see me. Then pull the legs all the way up. Squeeze. The next workout, again with this resistance band, the Romanian deadlift, or some may call it the stiff-legged deadlift. Grip this band like this. The next workout, the side bend, is one leg at a time. Grip the band at a lower position. You need to feel the tension all the way in this side and this side. The last workout, lunges. Just like a normal lunges. So this circuit, 40 minutes at a stretch, and you will feel the burn in the legs and the core. Today, the plan is for a full day sightseeing. We have already arrived at our first spot. It is the Skywalk. And beside this Skywalk, there is the temple of Avalokiteshwar. So now I am on the Skywalk. It's glass floor and the structure is quite durable, but it's bound to make you dizzy once you walk on it by looking downward. So the Skywalk is done. Now I know you people will curse me, but seeing this I cannot resist myself. Here are near about 150 stairs, so I will do a quick jog up and down. So 2 times up and down, done. Yesterday I learned that this should be rotated clockwise, and the chanting that goes with it is Om Mani Padme Hum.
From the roof of the temple, you can see the whole skywalk and enjoy the beautiful surrounding. Our next destination is the Kanchenjunga waterfalls. This is the second time I am visiting Singshore Bridge. Currently the bridge is under maintenance works, so we couldn't spend much time here. It is Asia's second highest suspension bridge.
Hello, how are you?
Today is the second day of our tour. We are at Pelling, and today for sightseeing we visited the Skywalk, the Singshore Bridge, the Kanchenjunga Falls, and the last spot is the Khechuperi Lake. Till now I am able to maintain my diet and some kind of resistance training. In case of food, in the morning I am managing with egg bhurji, and for lunch it is dal chawal and any kind of veg. The thing when we get on some kind of tour is that we don't have that much control over the oil intake, because in order to make the food palatable and tasty for the tourists, in most of the cases the restaurant they give a generous amount of oil in all of their curries and all those. So basically I prefer to stay clean by eating dal and chawal and manage the protein through egg whites, chicken, the rest amount through supplementation. So I'm carrying with myself a whey supplement protein, a very basic one. So all my family members are quite fed up with me because they don't seem to understand why even on tour I am sticking to such a hard diet. I think we are almost near the lake. Day 2 of our tour at Pelling is over. Tomorrow morning we shall go to Darjeeling from here. Now we will have dinner and go to sleep. Let's see you tomorrow.